A brief look at fan performance testing, a short video featuring Dr. Kevin Linfield. Is your facility installing a new fan, or are you replacing an older one? Maybe you feel something is wrong with your current fan, you can't quite figure out what it is. Then you need a fan performance test. Well, one of the more common devices in industry, how your fan is operating can relate to many of the perplexing woes plants face. Poor evase design, duct design, inlet conditions, or vanes can cause serious, costly, and sometimes dangerous problems. Fans move air or gases at a constant volume. The higher the density of this medium, the more energy is required to move the volume at a given RPM. Having an accurate understanding of the fan flow rate helps assure that the rest of your industrial process is operating at peak efficiency and is tuned properly across the operating range. A fan performance test helps identify where your fan is operating on the fan curve. Do you remember your college fluids course? Simply put, a fan curve is a graphical representation of the operational parameters of a fan. Total pressure, power, and often efficiency are plotted against flow rate. A variety of testing standards exist for fan performance testing, including ASME PTC 11, AMCA 203, and AMCA 803. Whether you have an axial, mixed flow, or centrifugal fan, these standards detail how to perform the test and the type of instrumentation required. By utilizing a standardized methodology, the end user can ensure consistent and reliable results across different manufacturers and test sites. The test specifications allow for standardization, accuracy, and reliability in the assessment of fan performance. Users are subsequently able to make informed decisions, optimize system designs, and ensure energy efficiency. Field measurements include pressure, temperature, velocity, gas species, including humidity, fan power, fan energy, and fan speed. Using this data, it can be determined if your fan is operating at peak performance, and analysis of the entire system can help verify flow rates, pressure drops, and species concentrations. For more information on field testing, please contact Airflow Sciences. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.